Do you need to bulk to gain muscle? First of all, what is bulking? Bulking is defined as intentionally eating more calories than your body needs in order to gain more muscle. Now, in a perfect world, all food you eat would turn into muscle, but that's not the case. You need a proper balance of fats, proteins, and carbs to keep muscle building up and fat gaining low. Now, in my experience, when I try to gain weight by eating a bunch of random calories, most of the weight comes from fat, a little bit from muscle, but mostly from fat. Now, also, if you're not somebody with a fast metabolism, a lot of those extra calories are gonna just turn into fat. Some muscle, but mostly fat, and also you're gonna get sugar crashes, so it's just gonna make you not wanna go to the gym. You're just gonna be tired and sluggish. So I would say food selection and timing is much more important than just randomly bulking and eating a bunch of calories. Yes, you will need more calories to gain muscles in the gym, but you wanna make sure that those calories are coming from the right types of foods. So my experience with bulking is I would bulk up to like 180 pounds, and sure, I'd be, a little stronger in the gym, but then I'd lean back down, I'd cut to like 155, and I'd lose most of that strength, and I would just go, every winter, bulk up and then cut back down. But now, when I maintain, I'm gaining slowly, but I'm keeping a, good body fat percentage and staying healthy. Just a small disclaimer, I'm not a dietitian, this is just what I would do. So what I would do is I would get an app like MyFitnessPal and track the amount of calories I'm eating normally, whatever it is, go to the gym, see how that affects me, and then go from there. If I found myself plateauing on a lift like a bench press or a squat, what I would do is add more calories before my workout in the form of fast-acting carbs for more energy, and then more protein after my workout for muscle building and repair. But this would be a subtle increase of 200 to 500 calories a day with a ratio of 2-to-1 carbs to protein. And stick to that for like 3 months and see what happens. And if this was me, I would have to be okay with, hey, I might not be, getting stronger every time I go to the gym. So understanding that fitness is a journey helped me realize that sometimes the weight's gonna feel, super light, sometimes it's gonna feel super heavy. But either way, I'm gonna keep showing up and putting in the work, because the more consistent you are, the more successful you are. So.